What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress Themes, and in today's video you're gonna learn a simple way to make your WordPress website more secure and protect it from attacks from hackers, okay? So imagine the following scenario. You made a site for a client of yours or for you, and you do not often update the site. So your WordPress may be outdated, some plugins may be outdated, and if hackers know that, they may explore some no issue, some no open port of the outdated version to have access to do bad things with your site, okay? So how to hide the version of your WordPress website from tracking, okay? Imagine the following scenario, okay? Once again, even if you hide the WordPress version in simple ways, okay, by deleting it, you still lets the version updated and appearing on the code. So how to remove this version from the code so trackers cannot know that? This is what I'm gonna learn to this video. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content with a friend of yours. You have no idea how much it helps us because you bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations, and many more topics or choose international sites favors. So let's get this started. First thing, go to your WordPress dashboard, review the left sidebar of menus, hover your mouse over plugins and click on add new plugin, okay? Into the upper right corner of your screen, next to keyword, there is a field, search plugins. Right here, we're gonna type WP code, just like this. Here is the guide we are looking for by WP code. Click on install now. WP code, insert header, footer, custom code, snippets, WordPress code manager. Click on install, click into the activate button and click into the activate button once again. This is gonna redirect you to the plugins list, a list where you can see all of the present plugins on your site. You scroll it down and review the left sidebar of menus once again. Next to settings menu, you're gonna be able to find a new item. Call it code snippets. Click on it and click on add new. Now we're gonna click on add your custom code, new snippet. Now we're gonna type the code, okay? For example, you need to enter the code title. So remove WP version number, just like this. And all we have to do now is type this code, okay? I'm gonna try to leave this into the comments so you can copy, but just pause the video so you can copy the code. Add filter, the generator, return empty string, okay? Simple. Now change the code type, okay? From HTML to PHP snippet, okay? Once it's a PHP snippet. Auto insert, all good to go, run everywhere. So all we have to do is save the snippet. Simple, right? Now, all I have to do is change the switcher. Next to the update blue button into the upper right corner of my screen, there is a switcher. Change from inactive to active and hit the update button. Now we are good to go and no more WP version gonna be displayed on our site, okay? Simple, easy, and very effective. And it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out our borderless plugin to gain widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your site using Element or Gutenberg. Or Enzo WordPress theme, the best free WordPress theme that can start to customize your site in the way that you want. Or Growth.net platform, a place where you can submit your blog for receiving and publishing guest posts. Or Sites.gallery, there is a CSS gallery where you can promote your site, your app, your landing page, your game design. And finally, in the case that you want to go premium when you're doing your site, go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visual Modo Pass, and unlock full access to our entire templates library, with hundreds of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click. In addition, for premium themes, templates, plugins, widgets, blocks, icons, and many more features to create the site of our dreams. And that is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best!